What if I told you that with nothing more than your phone and $0 in your pocket, you could start making real money today? Sounds impossible, right? But now, opportunities to earn online have exploded. Today, it's easier than ever for anyone to turn spare time into steady cash. Forget about complicated business models, pricey equipment, or overwhelming strategies. This guide cuts through the noise to show you proven, beginner-friendly ways to make money online, no strings attached. Ready to discover the secrets most people overlook? Let's jump in. First, we're going to learn how you can become a freelance designer and earn money creating thumbnails for YouTubers. But what's a thumbnail? Well, it's that little picture you see before clicking on a YouTube video. Thumbnails are super important because they're like the cover of a book. If the thumbnail isn't eye-catching, people might not click on the video at all. Think about it. When you're scrolling through YouTube, what grabs your attention? It's the thumbnails, right? They can make a video look exciting, funny, or super interesting. That's why YouTubers spend a lot of time and money making sure their thumbnails look amazing. Here's the cool part. YouTubers are willing to pay big money for great thumbnails. Sometimes $100 to $500 for just one. And guess what? You can learn how to make thumbnails even if you're a total beginner. You don't need fancy equipment or years of experience. All you need is a little creativity and a few free tools, which I'll tell you about. Let's break it down into 3 easy steps to get started. Step 1 is to learn how to make thumbnails. Now, don't worry if you've never designed anything before. You can find tons of free tutorials on YouTube. Just type in how to make thumbnails for free, and you'll see lots of videos that show you how to do it step by step. These videos are easy to follow and perfect for beginners. Step 2 is to use free design tools. Tools like Canva or GIMP are great for creating thumbnails. Canva is super simple. It's like dragging and dropping pictures and text until your design looks awesome. If you want to do more advanced stuff, GIMP is a great free option. And guess what? Both work on phones and laptops, so you don't need a fancy computer to get started. Step 3 is to find clients. This is the fun part, getting paid for your work. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect places to offer your services. YouTubers go to these websites to find people who can design thumbnails for them. When you're starting out, offer your services at a lower price, like $10 and $20 per thumbnail. This will help you get clients faster. Once you've got some experience and good reviews, you can charge more, maybe even $100 per thumbnail. The best part? You can do this from anywhere, your bedroom, your couch, even while eating snacks. And since you only need a phone or laptop to get started, it's perfect for beginners. You don't have to spend a single penny to start earning. So imagine this. You start learning how to make thumbnails today. You watch some tutorials, practice a bit, and in just a few days, you're ready to start offering your designs. You sign up on Fiverr, create a profile, and boom, you get your first client. That could be your first $10, $20, or even $100 earned online. The best part about designing thumbnails is that it's fun and creative. You can play around with colors, fonts, and pictures to make something that stands out. And when your work helps a YouTuber get more views, they'll keep coming back to you for more designs. So, are you ready to turn your creativity into cash? Start learning, start designing, and who knows? You could be making thumbnails for the next big YouTube star. Go ahead, give it a try, and make that first $100 and you've got this. Have you ever wondered how those super cool videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram are made? The secret is video editing. And guess what? You can start earning money online by becoming a video editor, even if you don't have any fancy software or experience. Right now, there's a huge demand for video editors. Think about it. Every day, millions of videos are uploaded to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and for those videos to look amazing, someone has to edit them. That's where you can come in. The best part? Video editing can pay really well. For short-form videos like TikToks or Instagram Reels, you can charge around $50 to $200. For longer videos like a 10-minute YouTube vlog, creators will pay anywhere from $200 to $500. Or even more if your work is top-notch. So, how do you get started? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Learn the basics of video editing. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. You can find free video editing tutorials on YouTube that are super easy to follow. Search for how to edit videos for beginners, and you'll find step-by-step guides to get you started. Step 2. Use free tools to practice. You don't need to buy expensive editing software like Adobe Premiere. Instead, you can use free tools like CapCut, iMovie, or DaVinci Resolve. CapCut is great for editing TikToks or Instagram videos on your phone. iMovie works perfectly for Mac users, and DaVinci Resolve is a powerful tool for more advanced editing. Best of all, they're all free. Step 3. Build your portfolio. Before you start charging big bucks, it's a good idea to practice and create examples of your work. You can offer to edit videos for friends or smaller creators for free or at a low price. This way, you'll have a collection of projects to show potential clients. Once you've got some practice and a portfolio, it's time to find clients. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for offering your editing services. Start by setting your prices lower than the competition to attract your first few clients. Then, as you gain experience and good reviews, you can start charging more. Imagine this. You edit a short 2-minute video for a client, and they pay you $50, and you finish the project in just an hour. That's $50 for 1 hour of work. And as you get better, you can take on bigger projects and earn even more. Video editing isn't just a job. It's a skill that lets you be creative. You get to play with colors, transitions, music, and effects to make videos look incredible. And when your work helps creators get more likes, views, and followers, they'll keep coming back to you for more. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning, start practicing, and start earning. Who knows? Your editing skills might land you a job working for your favorite YouTuber or influencer one day. Imagine this. You're scrolling through TikTok or Instagram, and you come across a hilarious or jaw-dropping video. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could actually make money by simply sharing that same video with other people? Well, here's the good news. You can. Let's talk about how you can earn online by reposting viral content. Here's how it works. Viral videos grab people's attention, whether it's funny fails, adorable pets, or incredible stunts. When you find a popular video on TikTok, you can download it without the watermark and repost it on Instagram Reels. The secret? Always give credit to the original creator in your caption. This makes it ethical and ensures that you're following the platform's guideline. Now, let's talk about how you can actually make money doing this. First, as you keep sharing viral content, your account will start to grow. You'll gain followers who love the types of videos you post. And once you've built up a decent-sized audience, brands or smaller creators might reach out to you for paid promotions. They'll pay you to feature their products, services, or content on your page. Imagine having thousands or even hundreds of thousands of followers. A brand might offer you $50, $100, or even more for a single promotion. And if you post multiple promotions in a week, that adds up pretty fast. What makes this method so great is how simple it is. You don't need to create original content. You don't need expensive equipment. All you need is your phone, an Instagram account, and a good eye for spotting viral trends. The process is super beginner-friendly, too. You don't need any special skills, just some time to find videos that people love. Plus, with Instagram's algorithm, if people watch your reels all the way through, Instagram will recommend your content to even more viewers, helping your account grow faster. And remember, anyone can do this. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a fun side hustle, reposting viral content is an easy way to start earning online. So get ready to dive into TikTok, find those goldmine videos, and start building your own viral account today. Picture this. You're making videos about something you love, whether it's gaming, cooking, fashion, or even funny pet tricks, and people all over the world are watching and engaging with your content. Now imagine getting paid for it. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the magic of content creation, and it's one of the best ways to earn money online in the long run. Here's why content creation is such a powerful strategy. When you create your own content, you're building a personal brand. Over time, this opens doors to multiple streams of income. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even by promoting products. The more people follow and engage with your content, the more valuable your platform becomes. Brands are willing to pay you to reach your audience. It's like turning your passion into a paycheck. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment to get started. Your phone is all you need. Many of today's biggest creators, such as Mr. Beast, began by recording videos on their phones, and you can too. The key is to focus on your unfair advantage, something unique about you. Maybe it's a skill you've mastered, a hobby you're passionate about, or just your funny, relatable personality. Whatever it is, lean into it and use it to make content that stands out. You have so many platforms to choose from. If you love long videos and storytelling, YouTube is your go-to. For short, snappy clips, TikTok is perfect. And if you want to share photos, videos, and stories, Instagram is the place to be. Now, content creation takes time and effort to grow, but the rewards can be incredible. Imagine earning ad revenue from YouTube views, securing sponsorships with your favorite brands, or even launching your own product line because your audience trusts and loves your recommendations. It's like planting a tree. You nurture it, and over time, it starts to bear fruit. So whether you're sharing tutorials, vlogging your day, or making people laugh, Start creating. You might not go viral overnight, but with consistency, you'll build something meaningful that pays off for years to come. Who knows? The next big content creator could be you. Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true. Not if you start a print-on-demand business. This method allows you to create and sell custom products like mugs, phone cases, and t-shirts, all without ever handling inventory or shipping. Here's how it works. First, let's talk about designs. You don't need to be a professional artist to create great-looking products. You can use free images from sites like Unsplash or tools like Canva to make unique and eye-catching designs. If you're feeling creative, you can even use AI design tools to help bring your ideas to life. Pet lovers, for example, could create adorable designs featuring dogs, cats, or other animals. People love personalized, relatable items, and these are always popular sellers. Next, you'll partner with a print-on-demand service like Printify, Redbubble, or Teespring. These platforms let you upload your designs and apply them to products. When a customer places an order, the service handles the printing and shipping for you. You don't have to worry about keeping inventory or paying for products upfront. It's all handled automatically. The best part? Your products can reach customers all over the world. With a single design, you can sell to someone in New York, Tokyo, or anywhere in between. This means you're not just creating a local business, you're running a global one. The income potential is amazing too. Once your designs are uploaded, they can sell again and again, creating a source of passive income. Every time someone buys a product, you earn a profit without lifting a finger. Starting a print-on-demand business requires no upfront costs, no warehouse, and no complicated tech skills. All you need is your phone or laptop and a creative mindset. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and flexible. You can work on it anytime, anywhere. So if you've got a knack for creativity and want to start a fun, low-risk business, print-on-demand could be your perfect opportunity. Get your designs out there and watch your online store come to life. Choosing the right way to make money online can feel a bit overwhelming with so many options. But don't worry, it's all about figuring out what works best for you based on your time, skills, and goals. Let's break it down so you can pick the perfect starting point. First, think about time investment. Are you looking for something quick and simple to start? Methods like reposting viral content on Instagram or TikTok are great for this. They don't require a lot of preparation or learning, so you can begin almost immediately and start growing your account. Next, consider skills. If you're willing to learn, methods like design services or video editing can be incredibly rewarding. Sure, they take a bit of time to master, but the payoff is worth it. With these skills, you can earn higher income per project, and they open doors to more opportunities down the road. The best approach is to start with just one method. Focus on learning and getting comfortable with it. For example, if you choose video editing, spend time watching tutorials, practicing with free tools, and building a small portfolio. Once you feel confident, you can explore additional methods like creating content or starting a print-on-demand business. Remember, there's no rush to do everything at once. Starting small and building gradually is the key to long-term success. Each method has its own benefits, so choose one that fits your interests and lifestyle. With consistency and effort, you'll be on your way to making money online in no time. When starting your journey to make money online, it's important to watch out for common pitfalls that can derail your progress. Let's make sure you know what to avoid and how to stay on track. First, be cautious of scams. If someone promises guaranteed success with minimal effort or tries to sell you an expensive course on something you can learn for free, it's likely too good to be true. Stock trading schemes are another big red flag. Many of these platforms profit from you losing money. Stick to trusted platforms like Fiverr, Instagram, or Etsy, where you can build your business without unnecessary risks. Another common mistake is giving up too soon. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and consistent effort. Whether you're learning to design thumbnails, edit videos, or grow an Instagram account, there will be challenges. Don't let frustration stop you. Every successful creator started small and kept going, even when it felt tough. To give yourself the best chance at success, start small and focus on one method. Master it before trying something new. Use free resources like YouTube tutorials and online communities to build your skills without spending money. Also, don't forget about your unique strengths, your unfair advantage. Maybe you're great at photography, storytelling, or organizing ideas. Lean into what makes you special and use it to stand out in whatever method you choose. Finally, stay persistent and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. Making money online is absolutely achievable, but it takes time, patience, and dedication. With the right mindset and effort, you'll not only reach your goals but surpass them. Remember, every small step you take today gets you closer to the success you're aiming for. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more great ideas on making money.